Let's check out how it looks. Welcome back to the channel. On this video, we will be starting an ongoing series of videos of my garage makeover. Let's get started with part 1. Let's check out how it looks. Alright, so today we're going to start a little bit about clearing up this garage. At least that will be gone today. Most of those tires, getting them installed on the car, so it'll take up some of the space. What we were going to be working on today will go there. Here's a preview of the plans that I have. The only thing that would change from these plans is I'll have a support going from here to here for each one of these, because I was thinking of using some plywood, what was left over from the shelves right there, but instead I will be using some boards off a pallet, some pallet wood for the shelves. So that's gonna go there. Let's get this project started. So let's start taking these apart. Alright, so that's what we already disassembled both pallets. This is what I was left with. Sort of chose the best pieces. It's part of the trash. Most of this is trash. I may try to get some of those boards cleaned up. And basically that's what I used to take them apart. These were very sturdy and very difficult to get off. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just going to give it a quick sand
Alright, so for continuing with this project, so I need to based on my drawings, you cut two sides of 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I just need to measure out. I don't think I did it on here. Half. 56 and a half. And 60 and a half. The ones on this side, they're going to go up to the top. And maybe they'll get screwed into here. Yeah.
Alright, so out the cut, had to take off a little bit more the width of the blade, so now it fits in there good. It's pretty tight against the wall. That's the height I need. Use the level to mark off my height on all of them. So from that point, I could measure up and it should be perfect. Alright, so I have everything marked out where I am going to cut out a 3/4 inch groove. Alright, I'm gonna try it out with the router. Alright, all the cuts are made on 3 of the boards. Need to make it on the final board, and we can start assembling, and then I can cut those to size.
Have my stop block set up. See how it works. Okay.
Alright, so I finished cutting in half all the 2x4 supports that will be going in there, just to support some more of the wood, or the pellet wood. Just put some pocket holes here, and start finishing this up.
Alright, so I have a piece of scrap wood. Place this underneath. Get the nail gun. Put one in at an angle. Come back, do the other side. Remove this. Put it in the other side. Clamp these two sides down. Make sure it's up to the board. Two nails. Done. Time for the next one. This is the last one. Goes on the bottom. All right, here are all the 2x4s done. Time to slit the pellet wood slats in between. And also, this nail gun crapped out on me. So if anybody has any recommendations on how to fix this, let's see. The air hose comes out as soon as you plug in the air hose. So anybody have any recommendations on how to fix it, or any YouTube videos that show this issue? Put it down in the comments.
there you have it. It is completed. All my shelves. This is what I was left over from the pallet wood. 3 pieces. This one's kind of bad. So typically 2 good pieces. And then all of that right there is scrap. Going to the burn pile. And time to, let's see, where do I have the, time to put these cases where they belong.
Well, there you have it. 2 pallets, broke them down, sent it down the boards with 80 grit, cut them to size, cut the 4 posts, use the router, cut that out, cut out the supports, use the nail gun to put those in place, and started assembling. It's all done. All my storage boxes have their own space where they can live. And there you have it. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.